Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. So the website name is collab.sundance.org. So this is a org website, and another thing, this site is highly related for the media and the film industry. So if you are in the same, so this site is a very relevant backlink for you, either if you wanting to create a do follow backlink. So this site is a very good site, so where you can create your do follow profile backlink. So the website name is this, and this is the dashboard. So before the started, we can resolve something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 82, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 81, and the spam score is only 1%. So, and according to similar web, this website drawing 90.5k monthly visits, and the mostly traffic from United States, Australia, Jordan, Colombia, Canada, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So you can see this is the website dashboard, and there is a sign in button top of the menu section. You can click on this, and you can click on the sign up button. There you can add your company name, your email address, then you guys can add your password. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And after that, you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the continue button. Once you guys will complete these things, then after that they can ask you to, you can add your country. State is Minnesota, and the city is Minnetonka. And you can select your primary interest, so writing, directing, producing, documentary, career and business strategy. And after that, you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the continue button, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the continue button. So we have successfully created our account. Now the time is to you can verify your profile. So this site will send you a verification email. So yeah, I received, and you can click on the verify your email. So you can see we have successfully verified. This is the pop-up message, and you can see, you can click on the top of the right corner profile section. There is a profile button. You can click on this. From there you can upload your profile picture, and we have added a full name. There you can add your title. So suppose that which keyword you are dedicatedly targeting in on your website, so you can make changes. Virtual interview hiring platform, best virtual interview hiring platform, job mom, and there you can add your company address, your company description, and there you can add your website URL, and this is your additional interest if you're wanting. So you can select anything, either you can click on the save button. So you guys can see we have successfully created our account. Now the time is to, we can click on this. You can click on the your profile button, and you can see this is your profile and page URL. and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is instant approved backlink, and this is the backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you guys can see this is the 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on this site, and if you can also explore if is there any option to we can contribute to creating a multiple backlink, community leaders, right cafe. I guess there is not. Okay, so this is the process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.